This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Woodard. Gorgeous end unit, no association fees. You will not find another brick townhouse like this one. One-story unit, no stairs. Located in the very desirable Great Bridge School District. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, walk-in closet, walk-in pantry and laundry room. Washer and dryer do not convey, but can be purchased. You will love to live here. Property is in very good shape. It was completely updated in 2019, so it is being sold as is. Seller will make no repairs. For more information, review the details below.